How to lose weight fast. Avoid these 8 unhealthy foods. Weight loss. We've all been there, trying to lose or maintain weight, sticking to healthier choices, but somehow those extra pounds won't budge. Well, it turns out that some foods and eating habits we think are harmless, or even healthy, can sneakily add more calories, sugar, and fat into our daily diet more than we realize. Number 1. Ice cream is a favorite treat, but it's packed with sugar, fat, and empty calories. Even a small bowl can easily exceed your daily calorie needs, especially when portions are larger than expected. Number 2. Trail mix. While often thought of as a healthy snack, many store-bought trail mixes contain added sugar from dried fruits and candy, plus high-fat content from nuts and seeds. A small handful can be surprisingly calorie-dense, making you gain a lot of weight. Number 3. Boxed juices. Store-bought juices, even 100% fruit juice, are high in sugar and lack the fiber of whole fruits. This can cause blood sugar spikes and lead to increased hunger. Opt for whole fruits or blend them with veggies to make fiber-rich smoothies. Number 4. Cold drinks. Regular cold drinks are high in sugar and offer no nutritional value. Even diet options, though calorie-free, can trigger sugar cravings and mess with your body's hunger signals. Number 5. Peanut butter is nutritious, but also calorie-dense. Many brands add sugar, salt, and oils, turning a healthy snack into a higher calorie treat. Choose natural peanut butter with no added ingredients and measure out servings, about 2 tablespoons. Number 6. Sports drinks. Unless you're doing high-intensity exercise, sports drinks are unnecessary. They're often full of sugar, adding extra calories to your day. Stick to water for hydration during exercise. For longer workouts, try coconut water or eat a banana to replenish electrolytes. Number 7. Fast food salads might seem healthy, but many come with hidden calories from creamy dressings, cheese, and fried toppings. Sometimes these salads have more calories than a burger. Number 8. Mixed drinks. Cocktails like margaritas and mojitos may be delicious, but they're often loaded with sugar and calories from mixers, syrups, and soda. Alcohol also slows metabolism and can increase appetite. Stick to lighter options like wine, light beer, or spirits with soda water.